in my use case, I have taken a demo. Sorry, I have taken a placeholder for a product, so which is called Wealthwise. It is a wealth management platform. So I got a mock website from built for it for from Claude itself, and then I generated a style guide from Claude itself. Uh, and I have created a dummy data in I have created a dummy repository for Wealthwise, and then all the issues, uh, enhancements, features, and all in GitHub for the input data. Then for this one, I have generated end-to-end release notes automation pipeline that would take in input from Git and then generate a draft and then review and then generate final files. So moving on to the first it will fetch GitHub issues. Then it will classify based on the labels like I have given here. Known issues bug. This is a bug feature enhancement. Then it will draft, the writer agent will draft the release notes. Then it will the reviewer agent would review for the final checks for style and structure, and then the files will land in the output folder. So right now there are 4 functional layers like configuration. I have added GitHub MCP in the JSON file, then the Claude MD file. So I have 4 agents. The first one is the orchestrator. Sorry, 3 agents. The first one is the orchestrator. Uh, then the writer agent and the reviewer agent. Then I have 4 commands. Uh, then skills for writing, reviewing, classifying, and then enforcing branding. So the sample data includes the benchmark outputs, what the output should look like, and if and also 2 sample inputs. Then the plugin concept, and the output would contain files for HTML and Markdown files for the generated output. So this is the complete workflow. So this is the GitHub repo that the MCP is connecting to, and the agent is fetching data. Then it will be classifying the data on the basis of the issues that are there, which would be transported to the writer agent that would generate Markdown and HTML files. For new features, I have added a help topic writer agent. So a new for the new features, the help topic writer agent would create an HTML and an MD file for each new feature. Then the reviewer agent would uh, run checks regarding styles and structure, and provide the uh, review report. So this is how the label to category mapping is happening in the classification. So it will take these labels and would map to the respective issue labels, and then it will generate release notes. So for open and unresolved bugs and tracking issues, the release notes would not be created.
Excellent. Can we
Then
move to the demo if that's okay with you?
yeah,
I'm
fine.
sorry.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure. So I'll just play the video.
That would be awesome. Thank you.
This is the longer video actually. So I have cut it down short and put it on a Git.
Okay.
This is where I gave the prompt to run
Mhm.
end-to-end pipeline for automatic release node generation for Wealthwise. So the right now the release milestone is only for 1.0, so it would run it for that. So it would delegate agents. Then it would generate MD file, ask to generate MD files for all the release notes, help topics. Then finally, it would generate the review report after reviewing, and also ask for edits based on uh, the review report if there are any structural changes. So you can also make edits to the file. After I have done, after we approve the edits, it generates the final output in the output folder. I have also shown how does the output look like in the video itself, and I can demo it here as well. So this is the HTML file that it's generating. These are the sections, what's new, uh, enhancements, bug fixes, and known issues. So here I have two new features. So it has two new help topics generated and linked to embedded in the output itself. We can go back to release note center, and this is the output it is generating. Similarly, it has generated an MD file for the same, and these are the help topics that it generated, standalone help topics that it generated from the what's new features, and one MD review report.